Hi guys, today we will talk about the TikTok application and we will show you how to find someone on TikTok. So let's pick on this application. After, let's go to the Friends section, which you can find at the bottom panel of the app. And click on the search bar at the top of the screen. Write the name of the account on the profile of your friend. For example, we will choose the first one. Amazing! As you can see, you can find each of your friends here and follow back. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe on our TikTok, so cool channel, and of course on our YouTube. So have a good luck. Bye bye.